everyone, and welcome back to my channel A Happier Me. Today I want to talk about something that's super important to me, and it is homemaking. Now I know you might be wondering, isn't that just cleaning and chores? Well, kind of, but hear me out. So let's understand the basics of homemaking. Homemaking is more than just keeping your space tidy. It's about creating a home that feels warm, inviting, and comfortable. A place where you can relax and just be yourself. Think about it. After a long day of work, wouldn't you rather come to a home that's clean and organized than the one which is a messy one? It can significantly impact your mood and stress level. We tend to give a lot of time and priority to our jobs, but I feel home is very important and we should give it the care it deserves. Homemaking is important because it creates a safe, nurturing, and functional environment for our family. It can also be a way to express our creativity and care for our loved ones. Look, I'm not saying your home needs to be spotless all the time, but take the time every single day on homemaking tasks and it will make a big difference. You will have reduced stress because of the less clutter in your house and you won't feel overwhelmed. By taking care of your space, you are creating a calmer environment for yourself. It will increase your productivity. When your home is organized, it's easier to find what you need and get things done. And of course, a clean and comfortable home can boost your mood and make you feel more relaxed. And when we work a lot, sometimes we forget to take care of our bodies. And a part of homemaking is to make sure that we have healthy food. So I'm not saying that you have to cook all the time, but try to incorporate recipes that are fast, but at the same time they're healthy. You can use some shortcuts for that, like double the recipe. And I have other videos on how you can save time on cooking and cleaning, so you can check those out in the description. I have also put the links in the cards here. One key aspect of homemaking is cooking. If you constantly find yourself eating junk food or ordering outside and picking up takeouts, then I feel you are neglecting your health, because if we put too much priority to our jobs and then we neglect to eat healthy, that's really bad for us in the long run. I do have a career, but part of my job is also homemaking, so I make sure that my family is fed healthy, delicious meals and we don't always just eat junk food. So I plan and make the meals according to the liking of my family, which are tasty as well as healthy. Alright, let's be honest. No one has hours to spend cleaning every day. But the key is to be efficient. Here are some tips for busy people. First is to set a timer. Challenge yourself to clean for 15 or 30 minutes a day. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish in a short amount of time. Focus on one task at a time. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one thing, tackle it. Like for example, you are just decluttering a drawer or just cleaning the mirror of your bathroom. So, you have to find small things and always take time out of your busy day for homemaking tasks, just like how you do for any other appointment. And don't make homemaking boring. You can put on some music, light a candle, and turn cleaning into a fun activity. I also have this essential oil diffuser that helps me calm my nerves when I'm cleaning. You can even get your family involved. Give age appropriate tasks to your children. This teaches them the responsibility and teamwork. Make it a game for them. Like, you can challenge them who can clean the fastest. I sometimes give my kids some monetary reward for each task that I want help with. This makes them responsible, and I tell them that you're contributing towards the family, so it is just not a chore that you're doing. Okay, so I have a template here where I have a list of chores for my kids to do, and with a dollar amount that they get. You can always refer to this or make your own. Just send me a request in the comments. And I feel when the kids start earning, they feel proud of it. And for my son, it's interesting because he's very interested in saving and investing from an early age. I think when I explain it to him, being my background in finance and economics, I always tell him that you need to start saving a portion of your allowance. You have to invest it for the long term. And this is my all-time favorite tip, is that whenever I feel less motivated to do cleaning or folding laundry, I just listen to some music. I'll put on my AirPod, and this way it makes it more fun. And my other tip is, especially for busy people, is to find shortcuts to save time, such as you can use pre-cut vegetables or make double batches of meals. I use it a lot of time. I make a lot of masala, freeze it, and use it for different curries. So these are some shortcuts, and of course, if you have any, please feel free to share in the comments, because we moms always like to learn some home hacks to save our time, and we also want to eat healthy. And sometimes I think for self-care, I feel it is part of homemaking, because the woman of the house who is responsible for the household work should take care of herself. So try and meet with your friends, do activities that make you feel good, whether it's gardening or it's just having a walk around the block, listening to music. Like, I make a habit of meeting with my close friends on Friday evenings or Saturdays to just unwind and chit chat after a busy week. Homemaking is about creating a space that reflects you and make you feel good. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should definitely be a priority. So even if you're struggling right now, start small and make your home a haven. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such tips and tricks. And I would love to see your comments. And I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.